guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a Morphe collection review. So it's the Morphe collaboration with Nikita Dragun. So I'm very thankful that I've now been added to Morphe's PR list, and they sent me 2 parcels at once, which was so exciting. So they sent me their a whole other collection, but they also sent me this Nikita collection. So I want to come on here, give you my review, do a first impressions on camera. I have not touched any of the products yet, so I'm really excited to try them out. And if you want to see more about the palette and the collection and my thoughts, then carry on watching and enjoy. So first of all, I just want to say the packaging is insane. It's so exciting to open packaging, which is just so like well done. It makes the biggest difference. So first I've got this slip that come in the box here. This is just Nikita's like face with all the information on it, and if you use my code GLAMFAM1319 you get money off. So I got this slip, and then let's just go straight in, shall we? So first is the eyeshadow palette. Look how amazing this packaging is. This is the outside of the palette. I think it's really, really pretty. I love the colours and how like cool it is. It literally represents her as a person. And then when you open it, it comes with the palette inside, which, like I explained, the packaging just stands out so well. It's so pretty. I really, really like it. So when you open it up, it looks like this. So it doesn't have a mirror, but it does have a lot of shades, but some of the shades really stand out, and this is why I was excited as well to try it out, because as you can see, like Metamorphosis here, this is like, it's like a tie-dye kind of colour, which I haven't seen really. And there's also another one down here, and then there's also like a really prominent like glitter shade here, which I'm really excited to try. So I'm definitely going to try a couple of them and swatch them and see what they're like. And then I also got sent the brush collection, which again is so pretty. So I haven't got any brushes like this. So they're black with the purple tops, and then they've got Nikita on them, but there's like a kind of green holographic kind of shade, but it just looks so cool together. I think they're really fluffy. I love the Morphe brushes anyway. I've got a few other ones. They sent me, with my other PR package, they sent me a bunch of gold ones, and I've also got a whole bunch of other Morphe brushes. They're like the main ones I use. And then the other 3 things that I got were the Dragun Beauty lipsticks, because it wasn't just her that had a collaboration with Morphe, it was actually her brand, Dragun Beauty. So I got 3 of the lipsticks from Dragun Beauty, and I haven't had a chance to try her brand yet, so I'm super excited to get these as well. So here are the packaging for these 3. So I got Bad Bee, Dragon Blood, and Nikita. So these are called Dragon Glass, but look how amazing the packaging is. Like, it's so pretty. The only thing is it doesn't stand up in a stand, but who cares, they're literally so pretty. So I've got this shade here. This is like a pinky one. This is more of a nude, and this is a bright red, which is like a perfect red. I'm definitely going to try out the red today because I really want to try it out, because I've heard good things about it, so I'm excited for that. And apparently these are super, super, super creamy, and like very moisturizing. So let's go in with the palette first. I just want to try and test out as many shades as I can. I think I'm going to probably start off with the blue, Azula I think it's called. Let's use the new brushes as well, which is exciting. So I'm going to use Azula just because it looks like a very dark, like, I haven't really got a shade like that. I don't think, like a dark, like royal kind of blue. It's almost a little bit metallic as well. So my first impressions on that blue shade is that it's very pigmented, it's winged out quite nicely. It's not bad. I mean, it's not like, yeah, it's not bad. I'm pretty impressed, to be honest. So well, let's go in with another shade, shall we? What shade should we go in for? I want to try the Matrix, which is the glittery shade. So I think I'm going to put on a base, and then we'll get that on. I used the P. Louise Rumor Zero base for this, and then I'm gonna pack on a white first. I'm gonna use BB Boy, which is a super like baby blue, but it's very, very bright, and I'm just gonna pack that on my lid before putting on the glitter, just so it's got some sort of base. It might brighten up the glitter as well a little bit. This seems to have a lot of fallout, I will be honest. Like, there was a lot of dark blue on my nose when I did the other shade, and like in the palette there's a lot of fallout when I'm using this one, but I don't really mind, to be honest. It's not too bad. Usually if I was doing an eye look like this, I would be using a foundation, my foundation and face makeup after, for that reason, but I just didn't today because I just wanted to focus on the eyes and everything. This isn't really going to go with the red lip, I've just realised, but it'll be okay. One thing about this palette which I do think is really good is that you can create a lot of makeup looks with this palette. Like, it gives me a lot of inspiration. You could do a really cool like green look, you could do a blue look like mine, you could do a pink look, purple, you could just do a natural look, you can do like a super like vibrant green with like glitter and everything. So you have got a lot of like diversity in this palette to do so many different things, and it gives you a lot of inspiration looking at the palette. But let's go into Matrix. So it's this super glittery one. She explained in her reveal video that this has got a bit of colour of literally everything. So here's the glitter here, and she said the best way to put it on is literally pack it on like this. She said the best way to do it is to tap it on. Whoa, I really like it. You do need to use a lot to get like full pigmentation, which is what I want, but it's kind of understandable. The only thing I hate about doing it with your finger like this is it's very difficult to get precise in like the inner corner and stuff without it making it messy. But whoa, I really like it. Something to add though is that this is literally pure glitter, so to get it off is going to be a nightmare. The best way to do it is how I do it. It's like a little makeup hack really, is to use sellotape and just pop it on your eye, then peel it off, and it won't be too harsh. I usually put it on my hand first just to make sure it's not too sticky, where it like hurts your skin, but just to put it on your eye and then pull it off, and it will literally pull all the glitter off, then take your makeup off as usual. Because if you just rub it in with like a makeup wipe or a cleanser or something, your whole face will get glittery and it's an absolute nightmare. I might go in with Game Over, which is like a darker, it's like shimmery, darker bluey purple, and I'm just going to pack that on the outer edge of like where the glitter is, just to blend it in together with the actual blue and the glitter, so it doesn't look so blocky. So as you can see, like the difference there, it's just blended slightly there, whereas this one looks like you can definitely see where the end of the glitter is. If you just blend it in nicely, you can't see the end, which is nice. There we go. So we're going to do the under eye now. I think I'm going to use a purple because we haven't used the purple yet, and I like the colour, I like the look of these ones. So I'm going to go in with Nikita Dragun, which is a very bright purple, and I'm just packing that on my under eye. I'm just blending a little bit of that purple in up here with the blue, just to just to bring the eye look together. And again on the other side. This is a bit out there, but Katana, I think it is. This is like a shimmery blue. Whoa, that is pretty. That's really, really pretty shade. It's not really coming up much though. But that's pretty. I don't know if you can see it, but it's almost like iridescent. So here is the eye look complete. I'm going to go quickly pop on some lashes, and then I'm going to be back to do the lip products and try them out. So we have the lashes on, and I'm really, really, really liking the eye look. I really like the glitter. I think it's so pretty. If the eyelashes look weird, it's because I'm trying magnetic ones and they feel very odd, like they're almost not on. So now I want to go in with this lipstick, which I've been so excited to try. This is the Dragun Beauty Dragon Glass one in Dragon Blood. So these are meant to be super creamy, and they're really meant to be really moisturising, then they're meant to dry down to matte. So let's see. Well, first off, it literally feels like there's nothing there. It feels really nice. Isn't this just literally the perfect red? I can't stop looking at it. I really like it. Doesn't quite go with the eye makeup, but it doesn't matter. Let's take my hair down, attempt to, and see if that makes this look a little bit better. I think this look is such a festive look and I really like it. I love the eye makeup. I love the glitter. I think Nikita done really well with the palette and the lipsticks, everything. Literally the brushes were so easy to blend all the makeup in together, and I think it's just really nice, and I'm so grateful to get this for free from Morphe on their PR list. I'm so grateful, and yeah, if anyone from Morphe's watching, which they probably not, but if they are, thank you so much for sending this to me. I really appreciate it, and I absolutely love the final result, and yeah, I think Nikita done a really good job, and I would highly recommend all of these products. If I had tried them out without being sent them, I would 100% buy them, 100%, because they are so worth it. I've tried so many brands, so many different products, and this lipstick feels really nice. It hasn't fully dried down matte, which it does say it does do, but I kind of like how it's looking. It's not glossy, it's kind of like matte but a little bit dewy, but you can barely feel it on your lips, and I think it looks really pretty. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel to see more videos in the future. Also, if you like my earrings, these are these little black and gold flake studs that I sell on Charrings. It's Charrings UK on Instagram. All my details will be down below, but I sell them on Etsy. Definitely head over to my Etsy and go grab yourself some. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, comment and subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye!